Hello, Crack the DAT. My name is Chelsea Kai, and I am determined to be a dentist. I've been interested in the medical field for years, but in high school my interests really focused on dentistry. I took the opportunity to shadow a dentist in my medical science class, and I loved the experience. I was enthralled by the work and felt at home in the environment. I can really see myself doing this one day. But of course, in order to become a dentist, I've got to go to school, and that meant taking the DAT. I spoke with a friend of mine who's in dental school right now about how to better prepare myself for the exam, and he suggested looking at Crack the DAT Pat to prepare myself for that part of the test. So I did, and I took all the tests, and I felt so good about it and enjoyed it so much that I went back and got the other tests as well. And I drilled myself, and on test day I sat down in front of the DAT, and I felt prepared. I think that taking those practice tests, the similar kinds of questions with time constraints and the similar test setup, really helped me, and I largely contribute my scores to Crack the DAT. So thank you for creating such a wonderful resource for hopeful dentists, and I do hope that you will consider me for your scholarship.